All right, guys, my other lenses came in. Now, these have a base and they also have gaskets. So, these took 12 days to get here. I guess that's the gaskets there. Yeah, these took 12 days. I got these on Amazon. I should have got them. I should have got them on eBay. That it came a lot faster, I think, on eBay. So, okay, they go in like that then. I guess that's how they go in, right? Yeah, they go in like that. And we're going to put these on the front. Now, the other ones, I have bumped them off. I've been hitting them with my leg, and I have bumped them off 2 times already. What I did is I put a little bit of clear Permatex where the thing sits. That makes them a little stronger. You know, I could always put that little hump, that little bump I dremeled out, guys. I can always put that back with a heat gun. I can always put it back, but I have read. Look at the gaskets. I've read some reviews about that, and there's no directions with these either. I've read some reviews that they are very difficult to get on, and they're almost impossible to get off. So, all right, let's. I guess that's how that goes on. All right, I'm gonna pause you guys. I think the way the gaskets go on, I think it goes over the cone like that. Or you can put them on the inside of this. I think that's what I'm going to do, guys. I'm going to just put it on the inside of this thing. It kind of goes over where the screw hole is. And I guess that's it. That has to be the way it goes on. It has to go on like that. All right. I've already took the other lenses off. Now, where is, oh, here's my screwdriver. You know what? I'll bet you these screws don't work either. All right, let's try a screw out. Yeah, they work. Okay. All right. Okay, why can't I find the hole? Why, guys? Where's the hole at? This is bad on my back. All right, we're recording. Now, if I keep on knocking the rear ones off, or if I hit a pothole and they come off, I'm gonna just get these for the back because these are screw on. That's what's nice about them; they screw on. Actually, I bought these first, and then I saw the ones I have on the back, and I like the ones on the back so much. But these are cool too. All right, let's get the front one made. Okay, guys. There you go. Yeah, if I have trouble with these, I'll get that. I'll get the front ones to go on here. I'll get another set of the ones I have on the front, guys. Yeah, like I said, I already bumped the rear ones and I knocked them off 2 times already. I bumped them with my leg. Now that's probably why they have that. They had like that little, what can you call that thing? That little. It's not a notch. That little bump in there that I dremelled down. That way they're real hard to get off. But I feel with the bumps on, if you bump one of those, you're going to break the tab. That's what I think. I think the tabs will break. What I did is I got some clear Permatex and I put it around where the lens sits on that adapter. And that helps a little bit. You can still take them off with your hand. So the way I feel, if I hit a bad bump and they pop off, I'll just get those ones I have on the front, and I'll put them in the back. What I like about the front ones is they screw on. That's what's nice about them. Those, it seems like they're pretty strong too. They're definitely strong, guys, and they're cool looking too. They're cool looking as well. So now all we got to do is wait for some warm weather to come. It's 33 degrees outside right now. It was 20 this morning. It was 20 degrees this morning. I just came back from the gas station. I fueled the Jeep up, $4.29 for regular. So thank God I got rewards points with the grocery store I shop. Matter of fact, I got rewards with 2 of them. I have rewards with Giant Eagle. I don't know if you guys ever heard of Giant Eagle. Well, that's one of the major chains we have around here. I had 90 cents off a gallon. So I filled the tank up with that. This morning I just had 46 cents off a gallon. So I put 50 bucks in the tank, 13, I think it was like 13 and a half gallons I got in there. So, but that's a nice cheap upgrade, or these lights, the turn signal lenses, I should say. But yeah, these are nice, guys. Now, naturally, this is plastic, but it's chromed. But what's nice about them is they screw on, and they have a gasket. And that way, any water it's going to go. I guarantee it's going to. There's moisture that's going to go in here, and that's why they have the gasket there. So the gasket goes around this thing here, then it should be sealed. So we'll see. Like I said, guys, if I lose one of the back ones, I'll just get two of these and I'll put them on the back.